Hello everyone. Now today we are going to construct a project which is known as person counter. So this is a project of person counter, and in this project basically I have used two different IR sensors. This is IR sensor number 1 and this is IR sensor number 2, and this is our Arduino UNO. So basically in this IR sensor is connected to pin number 2 and pin number 3. That means IR sensor number 1 is connected to pin number 2, and this IR sensor, which is IR sensor number 2, is connected to pin number 3. And as and VCC is connected to 5V and ground is connected to ground of both these sensors. So simple connections. Now we are going to look at its program. So this is its program. IR sensor is connected to pin number 2 and pin number 3, so we have declared them as output, and I have connected a buzzer on pin number 11, so pin number 11 is declared as output. So pin number 2 and pin number 3 declared as input and 11 declared as output, and this is serial begin to initialize serial monitor at 9600 baud rate. Now, and also we are going to declare an integer called n and initialize it with 0 value, since since count should start from 0, so we are initializing it from 0. Okay, and we'll talk about this x later on. First of all, we'll uh, write if digital read equals digital read 2 equals high. This means if an obstacle comes in front of IR sensor number 1, then a buzzer will sound once, and then the execution will move into an infinite loop. This is while 1 stands for a infinite loop. So in this loop we are again checking whether IR sensor number 2, that is sensor which is connected to pin number 3, is high or not. Once it is high, that means the obstacle has crossed both the sensor, and buzzer will sound once again when obstacle has crossed both the sensor, and our count will increase by 1, and this count will be printed on serial monitor. And here comes this go to x. That means after incrementing this value, we will transfer this execution to main loop, that is this void loop. So this x will transfer this to void loop, and again same cycle will continue. And after this, if a person exits from this device, that means if we want to decrease its count, first of all we'll check check for IR sensor number 2, which is connected to pin number 3, and once this condition falls true, buzzer will sound twice. So here buzzer is beeping twice, and then again it moves into an infinite loop, and there it will check the IR sensor number 1, that is the sensor which is connected to pin number 2, and once this condition also falls true, the buzzer will again sound twice, and the count will decrease by 1, and this count value is printed on serial monitor, and again same thing comes, that is go to x. So now we will check this program. We'll open serial monitor. Okay, so first of all I'll reset this device. So now I will move this obstacle through this device. See, count has increased by 1, now becomes 2, now becomes 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I will decrease its count. So see, count has become 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is how we can make a person counter using two IR sensors and one Arduino board. Thank you.